This is the newsletter subscription. Yeah, newsletter. So here you collect the subscribers, just the email. That's all. Email. But let me use Mary. I think that will be better. Yeah, here the user can enter anything. Just hopefully that it will be correct email address. Trusting that they will enter the correct email address. Alright, you have been subscribed. Okay, let's go and know whether he's actually subscribed. She's actually subscribed. So these are the subscribers. You can actually remove them or subscribe them and all that. You can actually unsubscribe if you want to. Definitely she cannot subscribe again. She tries that, the computer will complain, the system will complain. See, already subscribed. Alright, let's try and look at whether she can unsubscribe. Can she really unsubscribe? Dashboard. As for the subscription, yeah, let's see what happens. Can a user unsubscribe? Mails. Alright, I think, yeah, unsubscription is normally, the link is normally posted, included in the mail, and they will click on it. Anytime you send newsletter, just include the unsubscription. Actually, they can unsubscribe. There's an unsubscription link. You just to hit it. So the admin, if you don't know the unsubscription link, you can request. Will tell you. It's just a simple /unsubscribe. Once a signed user is, taking there, it will automatically unsubscribe. Or it's always included in the letter. Actually, it's configured to be included there. So the admin can create, these are the logs of sent newsletters, yeah, over the period of time. Yeah, this is it. You can create a new one. This is where you configure the subject, the message, the images to be included. Remember that this will be sent in bulk to something like a mailing list. So the subscribers here will act as a mailing list. It's a powerful marketing strategy. So you encourage your users to sign up, what I mean, sign up this here. A user should sign up and subscribe to newsletter. Sorry about that. Sign up, subscribe to newsletter. So yeah, something like this. Yeah, subscribe to newsletter. You can reach out to them, market some products, grow, your niche, and all the rest. So we're almost there. The next will be testimonials, another important aspect of the website. See you there.